But with the possibility of a rate hike on the way, however soon or later it might be, investors are paying close attention to the financial sector, which has outperformed the Dow Index this year. And it's not just the big money center banks. Regionals have been strong. But the same can't be said for the insurers. Morgan Brennan explains the divergence and the outlook for both.
With the possibility of an interest rate hike on the horizon, some investors are betting on regional bank stocks for big returns. Companies like PNC Financial and U.S. Bancorp are among the names that have helped fuel a rally in the financial sector this month. Unlike bigger peers JP Morgan or Citigroup, regionals are not as affected by regulatory changes, since they have simpler business models that directly reap profits from commercial and personal loans. Analysts say that means these stocks stand to gain from higher interest rates.
We believe the outperformance in regional bank stocks this month is a reflection of the market's view that short-term interest rates will go up in 2015, and that in our view 2014 is an ideal time for investors to begin accumulating shares of regional banks.
Atlanta-based SunTrust Bank is one top pick among analysts. Sterne Agee's Terry McAvoy says the bank will benefit from the ongoing housing recovery in markets like Florida. He also looks to the Midwest, which has enjoyed a stronger economic recovery for regional winners.
Our top pick in the Midwest is Fifth Third. We think the company will continue to grow loans above the pace of the industry, and that the bank's high level of profitability is not reflected in today's stock price.
But other analysts are looking for buying opportunities in underperforming industries within the financial sector. For example, insurance companies. Names like Genworth Financial, which is down on lingering concerns about its long-term care insurance business. Analysts on average expect that stock's price to rise more than 30% over the next year. And Aflac and Prudential Financial could offer similar returns.
I think people are just slowly, gradually coming to see that insurers are just like banks, that they're going to benefit significantly in a rising interest rate environment.
Like all stocks, regional banks and insurers could face headwinds in the coming months as well. There's a possibility of a natural disaster which can hurt insurers' balance sheets short term. And for the banks, as interest rates rise, the possibility that people won't deposit as much money, choosing to put more of their hard-earned cash to work in other investments. For Nightly Business